We're learning Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Masechah Sotah Perek Beis Mishna Aleph. Hayamevi es minchasa, the Baal, the husband, would bring her mincha b'seich kefifa mitzvahs inside a basket which was made out of dekel v'noisna al yadeha, and he would put it on her hand kedei liyaga, to tie her out, in hopes that this way she will be moide. And the Gemara says, even according to the man the Omar, that they already were nimchak the Megillah before she drinks, we still wanted her to be moide because we don't want her to die misa mishuna. Gemara says from here that you see, when we care about those that are over ritzayna, people that are over aveira, kavachaymer, HaKadosh Baruch Hu cares about those that are oisei ritzayna, that do the will of Hashem. Mishnah continues, Kol menachas tchilas and v'seifim klisharis, all minchas are put in a klisharis from the beginning, which the Gemara says, lav dafka b'klisharis, they brought them in baskets of gold and silver, but they were re'uya l'klisharis, as opposed to this one, zut chilasa b'kvifa mitzvahs. As we just said, it was brought in a kvifa mitzvahs, and that is not a nice keli, and since the pasuk says, hakiveo no l'fei chasecha, it's not right to be a klisharis. Kol ha-menachos tuna shemen v'levayna, v'zu eina tuna lo shemen v'levayna, kol menachos bois min achita, v'zu ba min ha'sa'ira, min chesa'im ra'afal pi sheba min ha'sa'irin, hi ha'saba keresh, v'zu ba kemach. So in this mincha, there's three things that are different about it. Number one, that there's no oil and levayna. Number two, that it's ba min ha'sa'irin, and even though we find that characteristic of sa'irin by the minchas ha'omer, but over there, at least it was sifted flour, or it was garash. But over here, it's kemach, it's mu'uriv, the flour. And the Gemara speaks out also that achatas chelev, you find, also doesn't have shem and v'levayna, but that at least is ba min achitin. So the fact that it has these three things is unique by minchas sotah, that there's no shem and v'levayna, it's ba min hasa'irin, and it's mu'uriv, the flour. And Gamliel says, Kshem shemaisa, maisa behema, the same way her maisa was the maisa of behema, so that's why her carbon, karbana maicha behema, is a maicha behema also. Mishna Beis, hayamevi paili shel cheres chadasha, he would bring a kli made out of new earthenware. B'noisin l'seche chatzi lug mayim min hakir. How much water went into it? So it's a machlekes. The Tanakama says it was a half a lug of water. It was filled up from the kir. And Rabbi Yehuda says it was only a revius. Why? Because kashem shememayit b'ksav, the same way in the following Mishnah we're going to learn, Rabbi Yehuda holds that there was less written on this Megillah. So kach memayit b'mayim. So huadin, it was less. It was good enough with less water in order to erase it. Nichnas lahechal upani liyaminai. He went into the heichal and he would turn to the right, as the Gemara says, all kol pina shat poina are to the right. Whenever you turn to the right. Umakam hayisham ama al ama. There was a place over there on the floor that was a ama by ama. V'tavel shel shayis v'tabas hayikvuba. There was a marble tile with a ring on it. They would pick up this marble tile, and underneath, that's where they would get the dirt. You would get enough dirt that when you put it onto the water, it was nira. It doesn't say bamayim, and it says elamayim. It's mashma that it's not absorbed in the water, rather it's nikar. You could see the dirt on top of the water.